Traditionally, film grain is a physical texture of silver crystal particles found in photographic film. This distortion of small black and white specks in a photo enhances the elements of nostalgia and romance. In Lightroom Classic, photographers can experiment by recreating film grain to enhance the aesthetic appeal of an image. Go to the Develop module. Under the Effects tab, Grain is the second panel, with Amount, Size, and Roughness sliders. With the Amount slider, you can control the amount of grain from 0 to 100. The more the grain, the less the detail you will have. Size will alter how big or small the grain will be. Roughness adjusts the coarseness and smoothness of the grain. Grain is often added during the later stages of photo editing. This is useful for adding texture to an image, for example, to the pages of a book. It can enhance the overall look and feel of a photo, giving a classic or vintage look. And although similar, grain is not to be confused with the often unfavorable noise created by high ISO in digital images. But it can be used to balance noise reduction, which in removing noise, often makes an image more smooth and less sharp. Adding grain can help counteract this smoothing effect. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.